Hi, Patty Handy here with a budget hack. I know those of you who hate the word budget probably also hate the word diet. Sounds very restrictive, sounds very exhausting. I've got a great fun hack, so stay tuned for that, short and sweet. Keep in mind this is for informational, educational purposes only. If you need any legal, financial, or investment advice, make sure you seek the advice of an expert. All right, on to the good stuff. Okay, here's your new best friends. Let me explain. I would like you to, instead of trying to keep a tight budget and watch every penny coming in and out, I want you to take a look at your last 3 months of your bank statements, which will show your checks written if you still write checks, your debit card transactions, and anything that goes out via your bank, and also 3 months of your credit card statements. Those combined will show you what's going out every month and where. Then I want you to grab some great highlighters, grab colors that you like, and pick a color for various categories. So perhaps you'll use yellow for groceries. Perhaps you'll use red for eating out. And note, those are two different items, even though they're both food. Eating out and groceries are two different categories. And then have another color with perhaps utilities, car payments, subscriptions, things of that nature. And then highlight those over the last 3 months. What it does is it helps you kind of look back, visually take a look at what's going on and go, wow, there's a lot of red on this, which means you've been going out a lot and eating, or perhaps groceries have added up. Utilities won't change much. Car payment won't change much. Obviously, your rent or your mortgage, property tax, those things, insurance, those are pretty, standard. But I want you to take a look at what's going out that is variable expenses. And that's where the colored highlighters will help you to take a look at what's going out that is potentially ways to cut back if that's what you're looking at doing. And if you're looking at paying off some credit card debt, this also helps you identify places where you can cut back and then put that money towards the credit card debt. So keep in mind that this is meant for you to do once every few months. This initial first time exercise, go back 3 months. That's good enough time period to give you a pretty good idea of where you were spending your money. And then if you want to keep an Excel spreadsheet or use one of the many budgeting apps out there, fantastic. That's fabulous. There are a ton of great apps out there for those that help you just kind of stay on track. But this is a great way to look at what's been going on in the past. So hopefully that helps. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out, ask questions. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And I'm happy to answer any questions, so feel free to reach out. Bye for now.